I'm assuming a lot of you guys thought this one was difficult. I'm not really sure why. Yeah, I guess there's a lot there, but it's not really anything that's that challenging. So A says, what's the y-intercept of line 1? This is line 1 right here. The y-intercept is 0, 4. Same thing about B. B is obviously the other line, and the y-intercept of that is 0, 2. C, I think, asks for the equations of the two, right? So for line 1 and line 2, it wants the equations. They're just both y equals mx plus b's. And I already said that line 1 had a y-intercept of 4, and line 2 had a y-intercept of 2. I'll do that one in red. Change it up. And then let's just go back up here and find the slope. So of line 1, here's another pretty point. So I'm going to go down 1 over 2. So my slope of line 1 is negative 1 over 2. And my slope of line 2 is going to be up 1 and over 1. So let's take that 1 over 1 and put it down in here. So those are my two different equations. Obviously, I could clean up that second one and just say y is equal to x plus 2. For D, it wants us to use the graph to estimate the solution. Remember the solution of this thing is, it's where these two meet. So if I want to figure out where these two meet, I'm going to say it's like there-ish. And I just want to estimate it, which means I don't know exactly what it is, but I know what it's near. I know it's in between 1 and 2. I know it's a little bit closer to 1 than it is to 2. It's not quite halfway, so I'd say something maybe along the lines of like 1.3, comma 3.3, or 1.2, comma 3.2, or something like that. So 1.2, comma 3.2. Obviously, if you're off by a little bit, that's fine, just as long as it's not above 1.5 and 3.5. And that's it for that one.